Hello friends, in this video we want to discuss about packet tracer 11.2.1 configure and verify eBGP. As you can see, we have two different company here, and we want to establish connection between them via these two ISP here. And this is internet, this is world of internet, and we have two company here. First, we should define BGP. As you know, BGP is a routing protocol that glues or binds internet together, like this activity. REP, OSPF, and eIGRP are all different IGP protocol or routing protocol that they want to find the shortest path to a destination. But in the internet, it doesn't meaning to find the shortest path, and only BGP help us um, to find a destination in the internet, the routing protocol. And the goal here is to establish inter-autonomous system connection that enables these subnets talk to each other through eBGP. In other words, we have three AS here. And what is AS, or autonomous system? AS is a collection of networks under a single administrative domain, like this one. We have two router, maybe we have some subnets, one subnet, two subnets, three subnets, but we have under one administrative domain, and also we have other thing here, other administrative. For better understanding, uh, routing protocol like OSPF, eIGRP, and REP help us to make routing and establish routing between um, some routers in the internal network. But in the internet, we need to use BGP. And for routing between different autonomous systems like these two AS, we need to have BGP. And autonomous system is like a public IP address and a private IP address, and as is assigned by YANA company. And we have private AS and also public AS, but function is same. To better understanding, also you can read scenario and background here, and also you can look at the addressing table. We have two company, ACME1 and also other CO1, and also we have two ISP entry 1 and 2. This is internet, and some devices and end users here. And also we have two forms for BGP. We have external BGP and internal BGP. External BGP used between autonomous system, like this one, for example, this connection, and internal BGP used within the autonomous system, like this one, for example, ISP1 and ISP2 can talk together using internal BGP, and it's different between them. And eBGP is external border gateway protocol that is used to exchange routing information between different autonomous system, or AS, between AS. Is very important. First, from ISP into one, verify that ISP has provided IP reachability through its network by pinging 1119. 1119 is the IP address of serial 000 for ISP entry 2. We should go to ISP entry 1 here, and In privilege mode, you can write here and ping 1119, and you can ping ISP into 2, and it's successful connection between two ISP in the world of internet. From any device inside of ACME company network, ping the other company server. This one. This is IP address of server 0 here. For example, from PC 0, we want to verify that and investigate can we ping or not. You can see destination host unreachable. We cannot reach out to this network, and we need to have routing protocol because we have some devices here, some routers need to and work in layer 3, and we need to have a routing protocol. But we cannot use EIGRP or REAP or OSPF between two AS as I mentioned. Configure ACM you want to become an eBGP peer with a ISP in 3.1. We want to establish connection between two AS here, and we should use eBGP, external BGP. And you can see also AS number for ACME and also AS number for this here. And also we need to have also AS number, and we should use 1111. Yes, this is also other thing, and as a neighbor IP address. And add ACME internal network 192.168.0.0/24 to BGP. From any device inside of ACME network, ping the other company internal server again. Does it work? Okay, first we should go to other CO, ACME, excuse me, here, network router, and hop in global mode, configure terminal, and we should use router BGP. And as you can see, we need autonomous system numbers. What is autonomous system number here? Because we are in router ACME1. This is our autonomous number 65001, and we have activating BGP routing protocol by defining AS number, as you can see here also. The next step, you should define the neighboring BGP. How? You can write here, what is my neighbor? This is comment. And what is the neighbor address? The neighbor address, as you can see here, this is 1111 IP address for serial 000. This is IP address. After that, you need to have next hop self or remote AS. We want to use remote AS because we have other AS here. And what is the AS of remote neighbor? AS of remote neighbor is here, 65003. It's very, very simple. You should make connection to other AS via IP address and using IP address of neighbor. And you can see neighborhood is up, and neighbor 1111, neighborship with 1111 is up now and is established. And another thing you need, You should advertising now routers, now routes and paths to the peer AS. This ISP entry one, you should also advertise network to this peer and this adjacency. And you can write here network. And what is the network here? ACME. What is the network in ACME? The network in ACME, I mean this network here. You should advertise this network. You can see here, you can use 192.168.0.0. This is network address. This is IP address of G00 that help us to find also network address. And after that, you need to write here mask, what is wildcard mask, and wildcard mask for /24 or 255.255.255.0, as you can calculate it, is 000.255. And we have configured eBGP under ACME1. And we have also advertised the network. The only this network that I have here, if you have other network also, you can advertise and propagate other networks here. And in part 2, we need also get connection to get connection between other CO1 and also ISP entry 2. But we also can check again. Can we ping? Yes, is unreachable. I cannot ping also server 0 because between ISP entry 2 and other CO1, I don't have any connection here. And in this situation, you can and you should um, make establishments and make connection to internet. And we can go also to entry here, other CO1, enable, configure terminal, and like other configuration that we have configured here, you can write what is router BGP AS number is 65002. And what is my neighbor? My neighbor IP address is 11119. I mean this interface that connected to other CO1, because we have two serial number here, but it's important that directly connected to other CO1, and this is 1119. And we have also remote AS we should use. And what is remote AS? Remote AS or other side, this is here. And also we should advertise our network. How many network I have? I have only in other CO1, I have only one network here. This is IP address and help us to get network address 10, 0, and mask should be 0, 0, 0, 0. Excuse me, this is not subnet mask. It should be network mask 255.255.255.0. Yes, it's correct. And also I should edit here because I have written I make mistake here. I should delete it. and I try to revise it. Okay, it's better sometimes I made any file and made any mistake, and you can see you can also edit them and write them. Also, okay, we should use network and mask, and after that our subnet mask here, and also this is also correct. EGP verification. After we have a make establishment between 3AS here, we should verify and investigate eBGP. For example, in ACME, we can go to privilege mode and right here, show IP BGP summary. And you can see you have any neighbor here. This is your neighbor, IP address and version 4, and this is AS. And other information here, this is up, and also we have BGP router identifier here. This is IP address of serial G00. You can see here, and or AS number and some information here. We have used main version 6, and we have 4 network entries and some information. Other information you can also gather here. And also is same process here. If you go here and write show IP BGP summary, you can see also we have other neighbor here for other CO1. And if you use question mark, you can see also you can use neighbor command here and gather a lot of information about neighbor. Yes. Use the show IP BGP summary command to verify the roles that ACME has learned via eBGP and their status that we have also done. Look at the routing table on ACME and other CO1. ACME should have learned the route to the other company network 172.16.10.0/24. Similarly for other CO1. If you go here also show IP route, you can see show IP route BGP. We have learned some networks here. We have learned 1111.1114. This is network. This network we have learned from BGP, and also 1118. We have learned this network here between ISP and other CO1 in ACME routing table. And also we have learned this one, this address from BGP. And it's same process here. You can write here show IP route BGP, and you can see we have learned something from here, 1110 and 1114. But we have not learned 192.168.00 because I have made any mistake here, and it's better go here and configure terminal and write and delete it. Yes, and after that, copy all of the commands here again. This command, first, we have activated BGP, and after that, neighbor, we have established neighborship, and also we have advertised this one. And click on fast forward, and now you can see it has been established. Also, we can get also connection to 192.168.0.0.0. Yes. Yes, and other thing, open a web browser in any ACME, for example here, and web browser, and device, and navigate to the other company server by entering IP address of server in other CO1, other company one. And we can get access from PC0 to server 0 in other AS, and from any ACME device ping server 0 in other company one, for example laptop one, and you can go here and right here, and you can ping also other AS. Yes. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe me and support me and leave me any comment. If you have also any question, you can connect to me, and maybe using Telegram or YouTube, ask me any question. Have a nice day, friends.